Hi, so you've gotten all your products and you're all excited to start your healthy hair journey, and I'm here to give you a walkthrough of how you can get the best out of your products to address your hair and scalp concerns. So let's begin. First of all, I just wanted to mention that we have our Rejuvenique oil, which is a great way to prep the scalp. Now, you may have bought the Rejuvenique oil or you may have been provided a sample. With the sample, you're just going to do a little pinprick into the little packet, and then you're going to pour the contents out into your hands, go like this, your fingertips, pull it, put all through your hair, all through your scalp, then brush it through, let it stay overnight. And if you don't want to do it that way, you could also just leave it on 2 to 3 hours before you jump in the shower to give it a chance to absorb into your scalp and do its amazing work, okay? But let's now start though with the shampoo. You know, you've let that oil sit in your hair, now we're going to do the shampoo. So this is the way we're going to go about doing it. I have a bowl of water here to show you instead of being in the shower. So I got my hand very wet, okay? And your hair is already soaking wet because we want to really activate the shampoo. And you're going to use about a dime size amount. Okay, so there you are. Dime size amount to maybe a nickel size amount. Your hands are both wet now in the shower, your hair is really wet, and you're going to emulsify it. So you're in the shower and you want to really get it creamy, like that, okay? It smells so amazing. And then you're going to go and put it all through your hair. And you might not get much suds, and that's okay. Just let it do its work. Let it sit for a minute or two on your hair, and it's going to break down any debris, any buildup, and take care of that, okay? And then once you've let it sit on there for a little bit, just rinse it out. Even if there's not much lather, just rinse it all out really well. Then you're going to do a repeat. You're going to put a dime to nickel size amount, emulsify it, your hands are wet, your hair is really wet, get it in there. Remember, the product's very concentrated, so water will help activate it, okay? Once that's done and you've completed the shampoo component, you're going to go next to, and this is a treat if you have the mask, you're going to do the mask, okay? And then finish with a conditioner. Now the mask is great. What you do, you may have a sample. If you have a sample provided, use half the sample for this particular portion of the treatment you're going to do for your hair. I do this about every 2 weeks to about once a month. It all depends on what's happening with your hair. But what I like to do, if you have the tub, I stick my thumb in, and what I got out is what I'm going to use on my hair. I'm going to pull it through my hair, concentrating at the roots, and then, at the ends, and I'm going to bring it all the way up. I'm going to make my hair into a ponytail, kind of pull it through, get it all along my scalp. I really want to get it in there and let it sit. Let it sit for about 5 minutes if you can. You can even go for 10 if you'd like, and that's plenty. And that's going to absorb into the hair because the shampoo opened up the cuticles to get all the debris out, and now this mask is going to go in there and nourish your hair strands. After the 5 minutes are up, rinse your hair out really well. Really get into the back of your neck, really get that out, okay? Now, your hair might feel really buttery soft and you're like, well, I'm all done. No, you gotta go and smoothen down that hair cuticle, all those little tiles on the roof, I like to say, with a conditioner to smooth it off. So, like any conditioner, you're gonna put about we're very concentrated, so you won't use as much conditioner as you would with other brands. You're gonna go and use about a quarter's worth. You're going to put it in your hands. You're going to go from about here down, above the ears down, really get all your ends done. Anything left over, I like to pull through the top of my hair, let it sit for about 2 minutes, and rinse well. Now, if you were given a leave-in conditioner, all you're going to do is after you've come out of the shower and you've towel squeezed dry your hair, never roughen up that cuticle, guys, you're going to go and take 1, 2, maybe 3 pumps depending on your hair length. I do about 3 from my hair length, and you're going to pull it through your hair, gently comb from the bottom up, and voila, your hair has been evenly distributed, the leave-in conditioner, and now you're ready to style your hair with our wonderful style products. If you need some specific instructions about the style products, please contact me or the market partner who has recommended this product to you. And again, I hope you have a wonderful hair care journey, and take before and after pictures if you can, okay? And let's chronicleize your amazing transformation. Thanks so much. Take care.